Hi, my name is Steve Selchert. I did the 321 puff rocket design. Um, Here's my rocket. Um, in the directions, it said to fold a piece of paper around a pencil and tape it shut, and then for the end to cut it and make it so that way it's a cone shaped on top, and then seal that off, and then to also put fins on it. So I did all that. It's not the prettiest, but so the first thing we're gonna do is the baseline data and just see how far it goes the first time without actually coming up with a hypothesis and coming to a conclusion. So first test, just gonna take a straw and put it in the rocket, and then after I blow the rocket, I'm going to measure it with the tape measure, the distance. Let's see. Okay, so I did the first one. So from where I was standing to where the rocket is, it's right at 4 feet. So I'm going to write that down. I'm going to do that again 3 more times. That one was 3 feet. Okay, 2 more left.
No wonder, no shit if I abandoned the fucking cargo bomb. Fuck else was I supposed to do?
That one was 3.5 feet. And then for the last one, that one bounced a little bit. That was 2 feet 8 inches. Okay, so now we're going to calculate the average of those. So 4 feet the first time. 3 plus 3.5 plus 2.8 equals divided by. So the average for the first trial was 3.3 feet. Okay, so I'm gonna hypothesize that if you add more fins to it, that it'll go further. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. I'm gonna add 2 fins on the top right here, and we'll see what that does. Okay, so I have one fin on the top. I'm just going to add the bottom one now and tape it a little bit better. Okay, so I have a bunch of fins on the back. Added them all. So again, my hypothesis was that if I added more fins to it, that it would fly fast or fly further. Sorry. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try the experimental part of it, writing down the experimental data since I hypothesized. So we'll go ahead and do that. That's the first one. That one was right at 4 feet. Second trout. That one was 4 feet 2 inches. Go ahead and set my computer down so you can see what I'm doing. This is trial number 3. Well, if my computer wasn't there, but that one was 5 feet 2 inches. Okay, and then the last one. Measure that. That one was 4 feet 10 inches. Average all those numbers together. 4 feet 2 inches. 5.2. And the average of that was 4.375. So my hypothesis was correct. It was a foot difference between when I did it without adding the fins and to when I did add the fins. The law that I kind of used in this experiment and challenge was Newton's first law. An object remains at rest unless acted upon by external force. So if I were to just leave this here, leave the straw on it, it wouldn't move. The external force would be me blowing into it, and therefore causing the rocket to move. Altogether, my conclusion was that that adding more fins to the rocket would cause it to fly further in distance, and it worked. My hypothesis was correct. So yeah, that's it. Thanks.